Hi, I'm Nicholas Wallwork, and I'm joined again at the National Landlord Investment Show at Old Billingsgate in London. I'm very excited to be joined by Giuseppe, who is one of our investments with the rest of his team who aren't here at the moment. Well, they are at the show, but they're not with us on camera. Giuseppe is the chap that likes the camera the most.
Hi, how are you?
He's very natural, but their companies go for it. We've made an investment into their company as advisory shareholders as part of the property elevator deal. That's how we met.
Yeah.
And you came on and thankfully chose the right angel to work with.
My pleasure.
Not regretting it yet, are you?
No, not yet,
Excellent.
not yet. We'll see.
So tell us what you're up to. What's Go For It doing at the moment?
Basically, thank you very much for having me here.
No problem.
It's always a pleasure to apart the business, even to share some tips together.
Thank you for coming on
I
camera.
really appreciate your help, and obviously we are at the beginning of the journey, but we move forward with your tips as a mentoring and even with the team to work as a certain project.
Yep.
And it's going really, really well.
Yep.
It takes time, obviously, and lots of commitment, effort, and mistakes, as you know.
It's all about
and
overcoming
this
the
is why
mistakes.
I need to say thank you for the tips you gave to us.
No problem.
And looking forward to work on the project together.
Absolutely. I mean, we've looked at a couple of deals already.
Yeah.
Haven't quite. We actually got one under offer, didn't we,
Yeah.
last month?
We
Didn't quite get over the line with the due diligence. So tell us a little bit about the site and what eventually went wrong with it. Why we decided not to go forward with it.
So basically, we have a project in Knightsbridge, London,
Yep,
where it
Knightsbridge.
was the commercial to residential.
Yep.
Was a bit challenging and a bit more ambitious, I would say. We done our due diligence. We done the numbers. The number doesn't work pretty well, so no emotion at all. Move forward.
Move forward. You know, the first round of sort of investigation, it did look like it was a goer. We all analysed it on paper.
Yeah.
You guys had done one site visit already before we came along. And you know, eventually it just got a bit squeezed, didn't it? I think the top floor was a little bit small, a bit too tricky to convert. I think there was the opportunity for a bit of extra building on the plot, wasn't there, on the back
Yes.
garden?
So-
But planning-wise, we felt because of the overlooking issues of the neighbours, probably quite a low probability of getting planning on that. in
So
the end.
basically the issue over there was on the first building we could add a bit of value but not that much.
Not as much, yeah.
Yes, so the whole profit was on the second part of the project, which was the pot, but because we don't want to squeeze that much, so we decided not to go for it.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, you know, it's all about protecting the wealth, protecting
Correct.
the capital,
Correct.
not just frivolously
Yeah.
doing a deal that you could do 12 months on, 18 months on and end up with nothing. Too much risk on that scenario.
Yeah,
so
too
it's,
much
you know,
risk,
it's about showing
so
you
we
guys
decided.
stopping
No,
you
no.
making the wrong decisions sometimes is part of it as well. You
Yeah.
know, championing the right ones.
So now we have another project in Liverpool,
Excellent.
which
Yep.
is a normal buy-to-let, but obviously because we want to mix the portfolio, so it's not just the commercial or just the HMO. So when we see the deal, we're looking at a different strategy to doing the deal. So in this case, it's a simple buy-to-let, but the same is the property journey. So buy-to-let, we're looking on the next project in Derby as well. So we have a few things on the pipeline.
Well, we started doing that. We still do the odd HMO. We
Yeah.
bought 3 last
Yeah.
year that we documented on our YouTube channel.
Yeah.
And there's nothing wrong with that. You know, it's
nothing.
doing business, working your way up. Don't start too big, is what they say. So it's all about finding the deal at the moment, isn't it? And getting you guys marketing. You're here today, they're here today doing their own content marketing. Go and check out Go For It. Where's the
Go
the
For It,
jacket?
Go
We've got
For It
one of
is
the
there.
guys. Let's get Go. One second.
One second. We have the guy from the Go For It. Here we go.
No, we
it's
don't
this
have
one.
a mic for him, but Go For It. Yeah. Go and check them out. What's the website, guys?
www.go-for-it.
Go-for-it. Go and check them out. They're going to go a long way and join us on the journey. When we get the site, we're going to document it on the channel.
Yeah.
So stay tuned, hit the bell icon, subscribe, follow Go For It's journey.
Go For It.
And we'll see you on another video very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you.